channel. My name is Rachel and I love to create. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back, guys. So I've been off the grid for like a week or so. I'm sorry. But a lot of things have been taking place, so I've been wanting to put a lot of things in place, especially for YouTube, so that I could serve you guys better and also bring better quality, better sound quality, better everything. So today's video is going to be about decor. I'm sure you've seen this kind of decor around, something like this and like this especially, and you are wondering to yourself, God, I'm sure this decor costs like 50k like that, and you're wondering, here is to making yourself something like that. So this video is going to be about how to make yourself these pretty beautiful gold decor I've seen around. For those that watch rumor houses, I'm sure you can relate to this. I may not like rotting, but man, the decor in a house is on point. Have you seen those items? Like, they're so gold and beautiful. I'm like, okay, I don't like this babe, but I like a house decor. But before we get right to the tutorial, if you have not subscribed, please be sure to subscribe. Please join the family by subscribing. Subscribe button is somewhere down here, the red button somewhere down here. Please do not forget to turn on that notification bell so that you are reminded whenever I upload a new video. Also, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and let's get right to the tutorial.
Guys, I'm going to leave a list of all the materials needed in the description box, so please be sure to check it out. So for the first DIY, I got this set of frame from due day, but one of them came broken, but no worries, it will serve a very good purpose for this DIY. So I just took out the broken glass and spray painted the frame. After spray painting the frame, I left it to dry, and after leaving it to dry, I got this quote. I saw this quote somewhere online that says, "Believe in your inner Beyonce." I just switched it up and added my name. Second DIY, I got a plain canvas and I spray painted it gold. After leaving it to dry, I just added these seashells that I got from the beach. Then for the third DIY, I don't know when I was doing this particular one, I just could not find all the wine bottles in my house, so I took this old malt bottle and spray painted it. And this is the final.
forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave comments in the comment section. If you have not subscribed and you now watch my video and you now like this decor I made, come on guys, subscribe now. That button here. Oh yeah, I'm waiting. Just press that button. It is free. Don't be scared. Just press that button to subscribe. Also, do not forget to tap that bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you're aware that I've just uploaded a new video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer them. Also guys, if you have DIY ideas that you want me to make an attempt at, or that you want me to make, please be sure to leave them in the comment section. If they are cost effective, I'll be sure to act them out. Guys, cost effective, why Nigeria? So thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, peace.